Okay, today you're going to put your name at the top and we're going to talk about liters. This word right here, liters. Go ahead and say liters. Okay? Liters is a unit of measurement to measure capacity. Remember that capacity is how much an object can hold. So, you know how to estimate capacity with cups, pints, and quarts. Remember, cups are the small ones, then pints, then quarts. And today you're going to learn how to estimate capacity using liters. So, let's go to number 1 and let's think about an object that holds the same amount as a liter. Okay? An object that holds about a liter would be a bottle of paint. Think about that paint that we use to paint pictures, the tempera paint. That is about 1 liter. So we're going to draw that. Okay, make sure you drew a bottle of paint. And we're going to put paint. So something that's more than a liter would be like a bucket. Like a bucket that you could take to the beach and build a sand castle with. Or a bucket of water. So, go ahead and draw your bucket. If you need to pause, go ahead. And write bucket. And an object that holds less than a liter. So think about something that holds less than a bottle of paint. What holds less than a bottle of paint? Oh, a spoon. Let's draw a spoon. Go ahead and write spoon. A spoon holds less than a liter. All right, let's go to the inside so we can talk about objects that hold more than or less than a liter. All right, guided practice. Complete each sentence. Write more than. Remember, use the words that's already on the page to help you spell. And less than if the object holds more than or less than a liter. So number 1, they already did, so we're just going to trace. The paint can hold more than a liter. Think about it, a water bottle holds about a liter, so paint can would be more. Number 2, a coffee mug. Would the coffee mug hold more than or less than a liter? Think about a liter is like this bottle of water. Well, coffee mug holds less than. And number 3, a trash can. Ooh, a big trash can that you'd put out on the side of the road to hold all your trash for the week. That's gonna hold more than a liter. Make sure you are writing this in your best handwriting. All right, yes, you do have to do the do you understand? Do you understand? Draw and name a container that holds less than a liter. Something that holds less than a liter? I'm thinking about a juice box. What do you think? You can draw either a juice box or something else. Okay, go to the next slide. About how many liters does each container hold? Circle the best estimate. All right. A liter, remember a liter is about the size of a normal sized water bottle. About how many liters does each container hold? Circle the best estimate. Remember, an estimate is a good guess. Number 4, a jug of apple juice. Is that about 40 liters, 40 water bottles, or 4 liters? Well, 40 would be a lot. I'd say 4. Number 5, that is like a mop bucket that you would put a mop in. Is that about 1 liter or about 10 liters? 1 liter wouldn't be very much, so I think it's 10 liters. Number 6, That is like a big bathtub. Would that be 5 liters or 25 liters? Right, 25 liters. Number 7, look at the picture. Circle the containers that hold less than a liter. How do you know? Do that one on your own. Less than a liter. You're going to circle them and tell me how you know. Go to the back. Number 8, solve the problems below. Miss Mayer is making a glass of lemonade for her friends. Does she use more or less than 1 liter of water? If she's just making a glass, is it going to be more than or less than a bottle of water? Write it on the line. Number 9, Amelia fills an object with about 70 liters of water. Remember, a liter is about the size of a water bottle. Which object could she have filled with 70 liters of water? A kiddie pool. B, lemonade pitcher. C, a sand bucket. Or D, bottle of perfume. And number 10, draw a picture of something that holds more than a liter. This says more than a liter. Explain how you know. When you are done, take it home.